What's going on, everybody? This is Danny from Slow Restoration, and this is the C6 Z06 I've been working on, and we're about ready to start this up. Let's do it. See if it fires up after to freshen up. Right up. Good oil pressure. Charging. Get out and take a peek. A little smoke. Sounds good so far. Alright, well, that was very exciting. It fired right up and sounded actually very good. Obviously it's still going to need a tune for the new cam. It had a cam in it before with a tune, but it'll need a retune, and we have an appointment for that, but we just have to get everything squared away, and we'll get it dynoed. Very excited to see what this car is going to make on the dyno with its previous configuration. It made 620 rear wheel horsepower thereabouts, so we updated the cam. The B3 cam in from RPM Motorsports, and that's actually who's going to tune this car also, and the heads are CNC ported from Texas Speed, and of course the valve guides were repaired at that time. Exhaust valves replaced, heads should be good to go. Put ARP head studs in. It's not going to make it run any better, but should help it make it run longer. Of course it's got the Pro Charger. We need to see where it's going to be as far as boost levels. It should be right where it needs to be. Everything's standard as far as this P1SC kit. Should make in the 5.5 to 6 pound range. I'm really hoping to see in the 700 horsepower rear wheel horsepower power level. Cut it back off, checking the fluids here real fast. I see the antifreeze went down a little bit, so we'll top that back off. Power steering was drained because that was removed. It looks good. I think we're good there. We'll check oil and top off the antifreeze, and then fire it back up and let it run for a little bit. Try that again. Let it run a little longer this time. Everything looks good. It sounds very, very good. So really hear that supercharger whining. Alright, we're going to let it run, let these oils burn off, and just keep an eye on everything here. Alright, the Corvette needs some gas, and we're going to install these side skirts a while. I got the front supported there. I do need to pick up my rivet gun to do these, that you have to drill and rivet, pop rivet in. That's how they attach. So I need to go pick up my rivet gun, and we might as well go ahead and get some gas. Got a gas can back there in the truck, so let's fire the turbo GMC up. It's been a while since we drove this, and we'll go down and get gas. And soon we're going to be swapping the turbo out and getting this thing back on the track. So kind of excited to see that, see how it runs with the new turbo, and see what kind of times. I think I'm going to do some front end upgrades and try and run it in 4-wheel drive so we can actually get a boosted launch at the track this time. We have the rear part of our side skirt, which is also carbon fiber. They get pop riveted to this, and this gets attached to the inner wheel well. So we also have our rivet gun. Yes, it's old, but it still works just the same. So we're gonna get this lined up and see what we can do to get these attached. Our pop rivets on the back part there, so this is now attached to the side skirt itself, and this will sit up in there in the wheel well and help to line up the rest of that side skirt. And these will protect pretty good from rocks being slung off that back tire. And as you can see down in there, there's some rocks stuck in between the body panels right now, so we'll carefully dig those out and clean that up and then get these installed on there. Shouldn't be a problem anymore with these on.